Build wealth faster by saving and investing. Start with a budget, set goals, and work toward them consistently. Save more and invest it with a savings plan that includes automatic investments. The key to building wealth is consistent saving and disciplined stock market investing. To get there, you need a long investment timeline, the right asset allocation, and the fortitude to withstand market volatility. 1. Real estate investing. In real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. It's the largest asset most people will ever own, and it can influence the entire economy. Real estate also offers the unique ability to leverage other people's money to amplify returns. This is known as leveraged investing, and it has a very favorable return on investment compared to the stock market. The value of real estate is determined by a number of factors, including location, improvements, and income generation. Improvements are additions to a property that enhance its functionality or increase its value. Location is an important factor in real estate, and it's crucial to find properties that are close to amenities, transportation, and economic activity centers. And unlike other assets, real estate cannot be moved, and its value is indestructible. Real estate is a great option for building wealth, but it's not always an easy investment. The biggest expense is often the purchase price, and each dollar spent on upkeep or transaction fees eats into potential profit. To maximize your profits, look for properties that have high rental demand and low maintenance costs. One of the most popular strategies for creating passive income through real estate is wholesaling. Wholesaling is a process of finding distressed properties that you can buy and turn into profitable rentals with very little risk or effort. This strategy is particularly effective when using creative financing techniques like seller financing and lease options to minimize upfront capital outlay. Another way to earn attractive returns on your real estate investments is through private lending. This involves lending money to real estate investors, flippers, and developers with the expectation of earning interest income from loan payments. You can even buy non-performing notes for an underlying asset and work with the borrower to bring them back to performing status. Speculation on land can offer robust returns with the potential for appreciation as development and population growth drives land prices higher. Another opportunity is acquiring raw land with the intention of turning it into a commercial or industrial development. Tisha 2, stock market. If you want to build wealth, a reliable way is to save and invest your money. Investing in appreciating assets like stocks and real estate can yield powerful returns over time. However, you should consider your financial goals and the potential risks involved in investing to determine if it's right for you. The stock market is one of 4 major financial markets where buyers and sellers trade shares of public companies. It's also the most popular way for individuals to grow their wealth by allowing them to diversify their portfolio with stocks from around the world. Hollywood often depicts the stock market as a high-energy, fast-paced trading floor, but it's actually much more than that. And it's a broad concept that includes the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, which are behind-the-scenes facilitators of most stock trades within individual investment accounts. The term also encompasses all the places in the country and around the world that sell stocks, as well as over-the-counter trades that occur outside of exchanges. Individual stocks are a common way for investors to participate in the stock market, but they can be risky if you don't have enough diversity in your portfolio. This is why many investors choose to use mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that hold diversified mixes of hundreds of stocks. These investments are easy to buy and sell on the exchanges, making them a convenient way for beginners to get started. Another alternative is to purchase shares of publicly traded REITs, which own property in real estate sectors that offer passive income. Examples of REITs include industrial properties like warehouses and distribution centers, self-storage properties like public storage, here PSA, which owns more than 3,300 units in the United States, and apartment and multifamily residential properties, including those owned by Avalon Bay Communities, AVB. Regardless of the route you choose to take, it's important to start early, save as much as you can, and stay disciplined. It's also helpful to have a long-term plan and to prioritize your goals so you can focus on what matters most to you. Step 3, debt. Investing in debt to increase the value of assets is an effective strategy to build wealth quickly. However, it's important to understand the difference between good and bad debt. Inefficient debt, like credit card, mortgage, and payday loans, can be detrimental to your financial health. Instead, focus on paying off high-interest debt and channel the money saved toward other financial goals. Buying real estate is an efficient way to buy appreciating assets that can boost your net worth. You can use leverage to amplify your returns by acquiring a property with a mortgage and then earning equity as the loan is paid down and the value of the property rises. The time-tested method of investing in real estate can help you grow your wealth and is accessible to people at almost every income level. You can also invest in stocks by borrowing against an existing asset, such as a home or cash-generating real estate. This allows you to invest in other companies and reduces your risk by minimizing the amount of cash you need to invest upfront. However, this method requires a significant time commitment to research and analyze the market to identify high-return opportunities. For this reason, many investors choose to work with a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions. Leveraged debt is also used by wealthy individuals and private equity PE firms to acquire revenue-generating assets. This is known as the arbitrage strategy and involves using borrowed funds to purchase an income-generating asset and then selling it for a profit. This is a common practice of the ultra-rich and is discussed frequently in global finance reports. The most effective and safest way to build wealth is to invest in reliable assets that generate consistent returns over a long period of time. The best investments for building wealth include dividend-paying stocks, index funds, and real estate. It's also important to minimize expenses by creating a budget, eliminating unnecessary subscriptions, and dining out less often. Additionally, seeking out mentorship and building a strong professional network can help you develop your knowledge of the financial markets and identify new opportunities. Chapter 4. Other assets. The fastest way to build wealth is through income-producing investments that help you meet your financial goals. These assets range from real estate to stocks, mutual funds, and cash-producing securities. The right mix depends on your financial situation, time horizon, and risk tolerance. For example, those who are close to retirement may prefer stability, while younger investors may prioritize growth potential. Diversifying your portfolio enables you to take advantage of different opportunities and remain prepared for any economic weather. Investing in other assets can help you diversify your portfolio and achieve a higher return on investment, ROI. For example, many wealthy individuals own art and collectibles like rare coins or antique cars. These tangible assets are also a good addition to a diversified portfolio because they increase in value over time. Another type of asset to consider is raw land. Investors who hold and maintain undeveloped land can generate rental income and gain long-term appreciation on their purchase. However, it is important to be aware that this type of investment can also be more volatile than other types of real estate. Other assets that produce income include government and corporate bonds, certificate of deposits and real estate investment trusts, REITs, Bonds offer a relatively safe way to earn interest and can be used to diversify a portfolio. The return on these investments varies depending on market conditions and interest rates. One of the best ways to generate income is by starting a business. Although it can be a high-risk investment, many entrepreneurs have achieved substantial wealth by founding their own businesses. Moreover, investing in advanced academic degrees and industry-specific certifications is an effective strategy to improve your skills and boost your earning potential. In order to successfully grow your wealth, you must develop a sound savings plan and make wise investment decisions. A wealth manager can provide valuable guidance on these issues and help you manage your finances effectively. To get started, match with a pre-screened advisor today by answering 20 questions about your financial goals.